effectively too.
Straight away he's bowling to Joe Denley, who hasn't had the best of the series so far. 99 previously, with that. That's on the leg side, that's gone through. That'll be 4. It's a wide. It's not the kind of start that Shaheen Hafiz would have expected from Samuel Badri. Boris Almarnaz will be more than happy.
He's trying to be tight on Brad Hodges' pads, but that doesn't turn. That's the problem. Move. Just like that. First 4 of the innings, and it's Joe Denley.
But I'm going to do it again, but he stood there and he made sure that he pitched it short and pulled it away for a very welcome boundary. 1 bounce to the fence. At short and put away. Don't bother. Oh, what a terrific stuff. Terrific stop. I think that might be Asif Ahmed Ratul. So that's gone for a boundary. And the very last moment he had to dive in the front. Look at that. Beautifully done.
This is what they need. They haven't got a big score. The bowlers are doing their bit. They've done it so far. Rehan Mubarak on the field as substitute.
Bowling! Beautifully bowled. That's what they wanted.
Yeah, he's got the measure of the batsman. Not been able to time him at all. Off the pad. That's what we've seen right along. The ball sliding down leg side. Early strike for Badri.
In the air, and it's taken. Zadran it is. That is a splendid catch. It wasn't very...
You should be laughing when you get a wicket, not get angry, but he deserves this. He's bold enough to pitch it up, not getting hold of it, very low. Zadran, the big man, comes down wonderfully well and takes that. He's over the moon. Yeah, well, he gives him the batsman a rousing send-off.
He's swatted that. There's nobody at deep at wicket. That was an invite, if ever there was one, for Mahmood.
So adept at playing that shot. Gave the ball a bit of air, but wasn't turning once it touched ground. And he was onto that in a flash.
They don't want to concede a boundary, but they have to bed off the blade.
The protection was in the V, but the shot was square of the wicket. Look at that. Played it late, played it wide of the diving fielder there. No chance. Used the pace of the ball.
Oh, that is sublime. Wow. Have a look at this.
Talk about placement. Picture perfect. Just coming down. Seemed to be a little cramped for space. Despite that, he negotiated that ball. Brad Hodge.
4. Now he's got reason to be annoyed.
Swear at himself for bowling that no delivery. That just wasn't on. Down the leg side, a long hop. Batsman's got to pounce.
That's good. Bit wide and thump down the gun. It's a very powerful shot. There was a fielder at long off. Down the pitch, inside out. 1 bounce over to the fence. He's a class act, Azhar Mahmood.
Or inside it, so he could pick his spot, and you can see he's not trying to hit too hard. He's looking to hit the top of short extra cover. That's the way to do it. That manner, you'll maintain your balance. You'll maintain.
Again down the track. This time he's gone onto the onside. He's hit that between those 2 fielders. Oh, it is a boundary.
Not exactly where he was aiming. Ball holding up just a wee bit, and hence the back face closing. But Zadran. Oops. It mistaken the field for
these two stay. It's more than a possibility with shots like that. That is a beautiful hit. Flat, straight, gone for 6.
For 6 of the innings in the slot. Thank you very much. I'll hit through the line. I'll take that. got a measure of the pitch. They've ridden that tough period, the first 6 to 8 overs.
Another good looking shot. Chumo turning out to be very good over, brings up the 100. Telling him, I'm going to keep a very close eye on you. Yep, I'm watching you. Oh, what a shot. He's in his elements. Beautiful shot to bring up his third 50 in the second edition of EPL. And in
Low.
well, that's doesn't bother him. That's gone many a mile, nearing the dugout and nearly hitting the stands.
One stayed low, the other one went high. So good to watch. 91 meters, that strike.
He's just toying with them. He's played a gem of a knock here, and they know it. Terrific shot, just a touch shot off the back foot. All I have to do is put the bat on the ball and it races over to the boundary. Super shot.
Class all round.
Aziz Sohail. Once again hit down the ground, up in the air, all the way for another 6.
And why not? Working really well. Nothing in the pitch. That's all you need to do. Just hit through the line. One of the front runners for that car you were just talking about, Arun.
Arun has gone for 4.
Kulna Royal Bengal mode, everything going wrong. But how good was that? Powered one down the ground. He tells you, I've got the belt.
And another loss here will dent their chances big time. Almost the same total. Shade under 150, and once again they are now just inching closer towards the victory. Before that,
Inside out, and that's the end. That's victory. Handsome one, and that's 50 for Azhar Mahmood as well. Not out again. Handshakes, congratulations all around. The burners have arrived. What a wonderful performance that has been.
Azhar Mahmood and Brad Hodge, both of them have truly exempt, and this will be a big challenge for them to get into the groove now where we stand in the tournament, Arun.
Yes, it would probably be do or die now for them all through. They got to keep winning. But Brad Hodge, how good was he today? Starting slowly, but didn't lose his wicket. He kept his wicket. He knows that he can turn it on at the right time. Did everything right, Brad Hodge. Captained well, called right, took the right decision at the toss, and then came out with a blistering innings. And 5 overs, but wonderful performance. Denley gone for 10, Sabir out for 8, 63 of 47 for Hodge. Really stunning performance. And 52 of 33. Well, what can you say about Azhar Mahmood? 148 for 3, an easy, convincing win in the end.
Well, the bricks and mortars of this win was already laid by Hodge, and along with Mahmood. Denley and Sabir were not there. They were finding it difficult to find their feet on the ground, but still, Brad Hodge and Azhar Mahmood, these two artisans of the world of T20 cricket, were enough to take the team to home.
93 of 54, that was a telling partnership. They had no way of breaking that, and hence Kulna Royal Bengals find themselves at the bottom. A wicket there for Badri, a wicket for Ahmed Ratul, and a wicket for Reza. But look at those economy rates. 10 Harris, 12 Sanjamol, Reza 13.5. These three bore the brunt of the counter-attack from Mahmood and Brad Hodge. So really, they were up against it. They had no answers.
Kulna Royal Bengals were put to bed 145 all they could reach. Once again against Barcelona Burners, Nafis had a good 50, but that was with a strike rate of 130, and that was not good enough to get to some total which could pose a challenge. Barcelona Burners in the reply were having a walk in the park. A great innings by Hodge. Once again, Azhar Mahmood hitting a 50, and you can see that Azhar Mahmood in bowling and then in batting stood and just delivered for his team.